The MQ-9B Reaper drones, often referred to as Sea Guardians and Sky Guardians, are long-endurance, high-altitude drones with strike missiles that can precisely destroy enemy targets. Each in July, the US government received the letter of request (LOR) for the 31 MQ-9B drones after Rajnath Singh's Defense Acquisition Council approved the transaction and acknowledged its necessity on June 15. The drone's indigenous component is expected to be between 15% and 20% according to India. To increase domestic production capacity in India, General Atomics intend to work with Bharat Forge to produce the drone's aerostructures there. A performance-based depot-level maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO) and Sea Guardian Global Sustainment Support (SGSS) are also being established in India according to plans. The nine hardpoints of the MQ-9B Reaper drones, which have a maximum external payload capacity of 2,155 kg, make them multipurpose assets. Armed forces and government can integrate sovereign payloads and mission systems thanks to the design versatility, which allows them to customize the drones for particular operational requirements. For India, acquiring the MQ-9B Predator drones has tremendous strategic significance. These drones will be crucial in enhancing long-range surveillance throughout the country's borders and maritime areas, in addition to their striking capabilities. The drones have precision long-range strike capabilities and are outfitted with air-to-ground missiles and smart bombs, strengthening India's tactical advantage in a variety of operational scenarios. With the anticipated completion of a deal with General Atomics for the acquisition of 31 MQ-9B Predator drones, India is prepared to make a considerable improvements in its unmanned aerial capabilities. This contract, which is expected to cost roughly 3.5 billion, is expected to be completed by the end of November this year, with deliveries starting at the end of 2025. The proposed agreement calls for the recruitment of 8 Sky Guardian into each of the Indian Army and Air Force and 50 Sea Guardians into the Indian Navy.